Okay, it's not even 6 o'clock yet, but as you can hear, the coughs have come back. I woke up this morning coughing up a storm. Peep the difference between right now and yesterday. Yesterday, I think I barely coughed once yesterday, and now I'm coughing again. Can you see the difference? Yesterday, nothing. Then as soon as I had my checkup, like clockwork, here come the coughs again. So this is a sign that it's electronic weapons doing this. Again, this is not natural shit. This is not something that happens naturally. This is something that is induced. Just like I said before, because yesterday, nothing. Yesterday, next to nothing yesterday. Now I'm coughing up a storm. So I said these things are induced. It's not natural. It's not natural to like be completely okay one day and then the next day it's just coughing up a storm like this. Not even in the early hours of the morning. I fucked up. Close the window, right? And I thought I'd be safe. But no, closing the window just makes it worse. So yeah, you could hear. And, you know, and now the coughs are dying down because I've got the camera on. You need to hear this. Not natural. Not natural. I went from having no coughs yesterday to coughing up a storm this morning. So there's the evidence right there. Right there. Okay. Hope my fellow TRs are good though. I might just, I don't know if I'm going to get any sleep today, but it's already 6, so fuck it. Take care. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.